Whoa, what in the world was that all about?
What?
You are really starting to get on my nerves now. And I'm not sure how much more of this I can take.
Come on, let's go grab that pumpkin before it gets away from us.
What?
Let's figure out what this thing is all about and see what it can really do.
What?
Let's hustle, y'all, and move those hooves like we mean it. What in the hay is going on with that cow over there?
What? I'm gonna show him how it's really done and teach him a good, solid lesson.
Thanks, dude, for stepping up and looking out for my buddy like that.